All right, so we're with Mike here, and this is his 2017, right?
Yes.
Whoops, new 2017. So I've never put a Smooth Spyder on a 2017. As always, Jim's products are great, man. So the instructions seem more daunting than they really appear. I mean, how long did it take, Mike? Maybe 20 minutes?
20 minutes, maybe.
So I did my panel trick where you can remove this panel without all the other stuff. See one of my videos. But it's pretty darn simple. You bolt it up underneath the peg support here. It's a little tricky getting up in there and getting that round hole in the bracket over that thing. It's a little bit of a puzzle. You got to kind of twist and jiggle. We got it in there. Then we set Mike for 10, and he just got off the freeway, and he likes it. So if you need to adjust the tension, you loosen this back bolt, get a wrench on here or even a pair of channel locks, and you turn it, and you can increase tension, then lock that bolt down. We did the red Loctite here. This was a simple install. I did not remove the belt guard. I didn't see a reason to because up underneath the bike you can see whether the pulleys align. We had a bit of a trouble tightening this that this kept going, moving, because there's enough slop here, flex, that while I was underneath biasing it, Mike tightened this, it kept coming over this way. Eventually what we did is we pushed it all the way in, then I had Mike tighten it, and once I let off the pressure, it straightened right up. So we are good. Mike likes it. He just got off the freeway. Says the vibration's all gone. So once again, Jim's Smooth Spyder's a great product. This one was easy to install. Unlike the video you saw where I bolted to the shock, I didn't have to remove any panels. But again, removing this panel is pretty darn easy. It's just like my video that I showed before on my 2011. Anyway, Mike, enjoy, buddy.
Hey, if you've got vibration, call Jim a Smooth Rider.
Well, a little story. So Mike bought this, what, October, November?
October, I think.
And it's been bugging, the belt vibe's been bugging you. And I just never made it over to help him put, actually, I did once, but his belt was out of alignment. So this is important. He had a huge gap and the belt was off. So he took it in and had the belt adjusted because it was brand new, and got it adjusted. And then I came back, put the Smooth Spyder on. I did not want to put it on while the belt was out of alignment. Anyway, so we'll button it up and we're done.